Hi, kiddos. Welcome to December. December is a special month. There's so many different holidays between now and the middle of January. And I'm so glad you joined me and Barkley. See, we both got our hats on. But have you noticed? Mine's Dr. Seuss hat. How could that be if we're doing December? Well, how about the Grinch shows us how to cook. You all remember the Grinch, don't you? Well, cooking with the Grinch is fun. Come on, I'll show you. You ready? You all comfy? You got your headsets on, your earplugs in, whatever you need to do to hear us, because we're going to have some fun. Are you ready? Here we go. The Grinch goes down to town. Ooh, see? He's going down to town. Yeah, down to town. He hears the bells, ding dong, ding dong. See all the little houses and the huts? Do we know who lives in them? Do we know that? Do we know who lives in them? He hears them. It's the Who's. Yeah, Grandpa Kid was being silly. It's the Who's. They sing and they sing and they sing and they sing. That's all the Who'd like to do, is sing and be happy and be positive and smile all the time. Well, that isn't certainly bad. That's good. He taps on the door. It's Cindy Lou. Did any of you ever meet Cindy Lou before? She's a friend of the Grinch. She helped him save Christmas. She likes to cook, and the Grinch does too. So they go into Cindy Lou's kitchen, and they're gonna cook. The Grinch, he likes to mix, and she likes to stir. See? Does he look funny with that hat on? Huh? I have one of those hats. I used to be a cook, too. She cooks with him. He cooks with her. And guess what? Now Cindy Lou's got a hat on, too. Those are called chef hats because they're chefs now. Yeah, when you're cooking, you're a chef. They make some treats. Ooh, good. And start to bake. Who will eat the treats they make? They put them in the oven. Ooh, that means they're going to be nice and warm, and I'll bet tasty. What do you think, kiddos? Max? Oh, no. Max, you have to go. Oh, poor Max. He's coming in, it's cold outside. Yeah, it's winter. It's cold outside. Poor Max. The treats are done. Don't let them tip. See, they're pulling them out of the oven now. See, Cindy Lou's watching. Grinch is just pulling them out slowly. Oh no, the treats, they start to slip. Oh, look at them. Oh no, they're bouncing and slipping all over the place, kiddos. Oh no, what are they gonna do? Cindy Lou is fast. The treats do not fall. She saves the treat. She saves them all. Whoa! Cindy Lou is really, look at, she saves them all, kiddos. What a good Cindy Lou. Merry Christmas, Max. Yum, yum, yum. Look at who the treats were for, kiddos. Yeah, they made them for Max. They made them for Max, yep. And the treats are now, see them? Max likes them, doesn't he? You bet, look at them. And the treats are now in Max's tummy. What do you think, kiddos? All the treats are in Max's tummy. Well, kiddos, this is just our first one for December. But no, we're going to have Pete Christmas times. We're going to have Bluey Christmas times. We're going to have Curious George in Christmas time. And all in the month of December. I'm going to be reading a Hanukkah book. There's all kinds of fun we're going to have. So please, come and join us. Tell your friends about us. And your adults at any time can leave a message for me at ProfessorProfit.com. Remember, your smile only does anybody good if you use it and give it away and say Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas or Happy Hanukkah or Kwanzaa. There's just bunches of them. You all have a great holiday season, though. Love you for coming and love you for coming back. Thank you, kiddos. Say bye, Barkley.